Hey everybody, this is a bonus and completely optional answer to a question that I got in office hours. So somebody asked me why the equation for single slit diffraction is W sine theta equals M lambda, where M is an integer, because we know that destructive interference occurs at lambda over 2, 3 lambda over 2, 5 lambda over 2. You would think that when you pull the 2 over to the other side, you would end up with the equation W sine theta equals M lambda, where M equals 1, 3, 5, etc. up through the odd numbers. But instead, I told you in the lecture that W sine theta equals M lambda, where M is any integer other than 0. So the answer to this question is that if W over 2 sine theta equals lambda over 2, 3 lambda over 2, 5 lambda over 2, if that was the only version of the equation that we were looking at, then you're absolutely correct. It would be M lambda, where M equals 1, 3, 5. But, like I mentioned in the lecture, we can also split the slit into 4 pieces instead of in half. Then we have a different equation, which is W over 4 sine of theta equals lambda over 2, 3 lambda over 2, 5 lambda over 2. So let's go ahead and solve that equation to get W sine theta equals 4 lambda over 2, 12 lambda over 2, 20 lambda over 2, etc. So in that case, the equation becomes W sine theta equals 2 lambda, 6 lambda, 10 lambda, etc. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 10, and all the subsequent odd numbers covered. But you know what? We can also do it again. We can take W over 6 sine theta. That one actually doesn't give us a whole lot. It ends up giving us 3, 9, and 15. And of course, those were covered back when we did W over 2, since they're odd numbers already. But when we do it again with W over 8, we find that W sine theta equals 4 lambda, 12 lambda, 20 lambda, so that covers 4. So you can see that as we redo this equation by breaking that slit into more and more and more chunks, we do end up covering all of the even multiples of lambda as well. So the correct equation for the dark fringes in a single slit diffraction pattern is, in fact, W sine theta equals M lambda, where M is any integer other than 0. And now you know why.